I know the crooks of the world, I know the good people of the world. With all my experience and education, Modi has made a fool of me. He made me believe that he was serious about black money being recovered, which he was not, because now his party president has told you that it was all a joke, and he has not controverted it. He has, on the contrary, given Amit Shah a second term. So I said, they are cheats. They are conspirators in cheating you. And so much of a conspirator is also Arun Jaitley. Why did he keep quiet all these times? And I said, now I must tell you that this statement of the party president is a confession that we cheated you and got your votes. And I have therefore to make a confession that I have helped Modi to cheat you. I have come to seek your forgiveness. I don't want to meet God with guilt on my head, and I have come to seek your pardon. Please give it to me so that when I die with a clean conscience.
ऐत्राफ टीवी, हर बात सच के साथ।